Hello everyone! Thank you for watching today. Today I'll be arranging flowers for Doll's festival, also called Hinamatsuri in Japan. Please watch until the end. Today's flowers are rape blossoms. In Japan, we don't just enjoy looking at rape blossoms, we also enjoy eating them. Sweet pea, stock, and peach blossoms. Today, in celebration of Girls' Day, I'll be arranging peach blossoms. Peach blossoms have very delicate buds that fall off easily, so please handle them with care. First, I'll start by trimming the branches. Observe each branch carefully and notice the natural curves and the character of the blossoms. Once you've chosen the branch, be sure to insert it into the kenzan using both hands. Next, I'll arrange the second peach blossoms. The buds are delicate and can fall off easily, so please handle it carefully while pruning. Next, we'll arrange rape blossoms. Observe the two stems carefully and use the one with the larger flower head in the lower position. If the stem has a beautiful curve, place it higher so you can show the curve from the side. Rape blossom's leaves can also be used later, so please handle them carefully until the end. Remove the extra leaves from the lower part of the stem. This will make it easier to insert other materials into the kenzan later. Rape blossom stems are quite delicate, so this time I cut the stem straight instead of at an angle. After inserting it into the kenzan, gently rotate it to about a 45 degrees angle. Next, I'll arrange the second rape blossoms. This stem has a lovely curve from the side, so I'll position it to highlight that curve. Next, we'll arrange the stalk. When stalk flowers appear in flower shops, it feels like spring is on the way. What do you think? Today's arrangement uses pink, yellow, and light green, so I'll add a little white stalk to soften the colors. This helps the pink and yellow stand out more clearly. Next, we'll arrange the sweet peas. Sweet peas are another flower that brings the feelings of spring. They have a lovely fragrance and their soft, ribbon-like petals are so charming. Recently, flower shops carry sweet peas in many beautiful colors, and it always makes me excited to see them. Depending on how you cut sweet peas, one stem can be used as several different materials. So take time to think carefully about where to make your cut. Finally, I'll add another peach blossom branch to refine the overall shape. Since it's called peach, people often ask me if these flowers will grow into the peaches we eat. But flowering peach is actually a different variety from the peaches we enjoy as fruit. Peaches are generally divided into two types, fruiting peaches and flowering peaches. Fruiting peaches are grown for eating. They produce large, sweet, and delicious fruit. Flowering peaches, on the other hand, are grown for their beautiful blossoms. Their fruit is small and not usually eaten. While looking at the overall balance, I'll add a few more branches. Peach blossoms are often displayed for Doll Festival as a symbol of protection from evil. They are considered very auspicious in Japan, so they are flowers we want to arrange with care. All done! How does it look? I hope this video brings happiness and peace to your heart. Hinamatsuri is known as the Doll Festival or Girls' Day. It's a special day to celebrate the health and happiness of young girls. Families display elegant dolls representing the emperor, empress, and their court to wish for their children's growth and well-being. The term Doll Festival comes from the traditional dolls displayed in homes symbolizing Japanese history and culture. These dolls are also believed to protect children from harm. Girls' Day emphasizes the celebration of young girls' growth. Hinamatsuri is an annual event in Japan that takes place on March 3rd. This festival is a wonderful opportunity to showcase Japan's culture, charm, and a beautiful tradition of wishing for children's healthy growth. That's it for today's lesson. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and inspiration. And if you like to be even more healed by the beauty of flowers, please check out my ebook. It's available both English and Japanese, so if you are interested in the Japanese language, be sure to take a look at the Japanese version too. You'll find all the details in the description box below. もっとお花に癒されたいなと思ったら、ぜひ私の電子書籍をご覧ください。日本語版と英語版をご用意しております。概要欄にリンクを貼っておりますので、ぜひご覧ください。Thank you for watching till the end. 最後までご覧いただきありがとうございました。それではまた次回の動画でお会いしましょう。See you next time. Bye!